I told you don't need millions of naira to start up a business? All you need is the willingness to learn, you need a smartphone, and you need the internet to start up a business. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 profitable ideas that you can start up with just 50,000 naira in Nigeria. So if you're someone that wants to set up a business but you have issues with money and you have 50,000 naira, these businesses are profitable business that you can start up and you can grow with just below or within 50,000 naira. So make sure you stay to the end because you don't want to miss any of this business idea, and make sure you tell me which of this business idea you find interesting in the comment section. So if you're just seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Precious. On this channel I help you start and grow your business through content creation and AI. So if you like content like this, do also hit on that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So let's quickly dive into what we have for today. So the first business idea I'm going to talk about is graphic design. So gone are those days where you actually need to learn design, learn Photoshop, learn Canva before you can start doing graphic design. So with 50,000 naira you can actually learn on YouTube here for free, or you can even pay for some cheap courses online and you learn how to design. And after learning, just start creating content, document your processes, post your work online, post your work on Facebook, on WhatsApp, and when people see your work and see that you're good, they'll start messaging you. And you can do one design for as much as 5,000 naira and above. I know graphic designers that even charge 50,000 naira for brand deals for just one design. Yeah, so it depends on how good you are. So if you're someone that does not have enough capital but you want to venture into a business, then I would advise that you look into graphic design. With AI now, you can even create beautiful flyers. Yeah, so you can use that 50k to either pay for courses online, or you can use that 50k to even register your business and just use your smartphone to learn on YouTube for free and start advertising your designs. So the next business idea I'm going to talk about is mini importation. So with as low as 50,000 naira you can partner with someone also doing mini importation, but now you will need to focus on a particular product. If you're going to import jewelries, if you're going to import accessories, phone accessories, so whatever thing you want to import, you partner with someone that is also doing mini importation. You send them your own cash, or you can even ask people, you can even post that product, ask people to send money, or they can send half. You will not use their money to go to the market to buy. So that's it for mini importation. Just choose a particular product you want to sell, start promoting that product online, and when people place order, you partner with someone that is importing and import that product. It's as simple as that. The next business idea I'm going to give you, if you have less than 50,000 naira or 50,000 naira to start up, is social media management. There are so many businesses that don't have time to manage their social media account. So this is where you can come in. You can learn simple software like Canva, you can learn how to edit CapCut, you can even pay for social media costs with that your 50,000 naira or less. You can learn about social media, pay for social media course. You can also learn on YouTube for free. So if you have less than 50,000 naira, you can look at social media management. Okay, so most business owners, they pay monthly for people to handle their social media page. And when you're a social media manager, and you're not just going to be stuck at one business, you can handle like 2 to 3 businesses as much as you can, and they will be paying you monthly. All right, so this is one profitable idea that you can start up with less than 50,000 naira. Yes, you heard me. Another business idea that you can start with less than 50,000 naira or 50,000 naira is perfume oil business. This business has been profitable for years. Yes, you can start getting perfume oil in small quantity, then brand them to your taste and sell them. Your branding will determine how much you're going to sell them. Yeah, and you can even get up to 100% profit if you know how to, if you study this business and you start getting customers. So if you have within 50,000 naira or below, you can look at perfume oil business. So you can purchase attractive oils with nice scents, you brand them, and you can sell them online, or you can even sell them offline. And just know that presentation actually matters. So the next business idea I'm going to talk about is video editing. Okay, so if you have 50,000 naira or less, you can learn how to edit videos professionally on YouTube with practice, with months of practice. When you become good, you pay for software like CapCut and you start using it to edit videos. You can also learn some other AI apps, AI tools that you can use to edit videos. And you see there are business owners that are struggling to edit their videos, there are content creators that are struggling to edit their videos, there are even people that are willing to learn how to edit. So this is your market, this is your target audience. You can come in this way, help them edit, or teach someone how to edit and make your money from there. So with as low as 50,000 naira, you can start up this business, even with less than that. Next business idea I'm going to talk about is laundry pickup service. Yes, with 50,000 naira, you will not be able to get a shop, but you can get washing tools, you can get iron with that 50,000 naira. Okay, so when people call you, you can use your tools at home, your bucket, water from your house. Then what you buy is detergent, you buy iron with that 50,000 naira. So when someone wants laundry service, you go to their house, you pick up. After picking up, you take it to your own house, or if they can deliver, if they can bring it to your house, you pick up the clothes, you wash them, dry them, iron them, and you deliver to the person, and the customer pays you for that. Okay, so if you have 50,000 naira or less, you can also start a laundry business. So you don't need expensive machines immediately. You can also partner with a laundry service. When you bring clothes for them, when you bring customers for them, they'll give you a particular percentage if you don't want to do this yourself. So the final business idea I'm going to talk about today is phone accessory business. Phone accessories are low-key one profitable business that you can start up in 2026. If you have 50,000 naira or less than 50,000 naira, you can just focus on a particular accessories. You can start with phone pouch. You can get few, even if it's 10 beautiful or 20 beautiful phone pouches. You get them, you post them on your WhatsApp status, post them online. When people see your beautiful phone pouches, they'll start asking you, how much is this phone pouch, how much is this phone pouch. Before you know, you start getting customers. From there, people will start knowing you, and you can even expand. So if you love any of those business ideas and you found it helpful, let me know which one you find intriguing in the comment section. And I have a guide that will help you to start up and grow this business the right way. And if you're already a business owner and you're struggling with selling, I have a guide. I'm going to leave all of them in the description that is also going to help you with selling. So let me know the business idea you found helpful in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.